In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage access to your GitHub repositories. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, understanding how to efficiently control who can collaborate on your projects is critical. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to GitHub. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your personalized dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to GitHub. You should see various options in the menu bar, but for today, we'll focus primarily on your repositories. Next, head over to your profile by clicking your avatar in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Your Profile. This action will take you to a page displaying all your profile details. Here, you'll see a few tabs under your profile picture. Click on the one labeled Repositories. This will display a list of all the repositories you own or contribute to. Now find the specific repository you want to manage. Click on its name to open it. Once inside, look to the right to locate the Settings tab and click on it. This is where you will make all the necessary adjustments to your repository settings, including managing access. In the Settings menu on the left-hand side, you will see several options. The one we are interested in here is Manage Access. Click on that, and it will take you to an area where you can add collaborators. Inside the Manage Access section, you'll find a button labeled Invite a Collaborator. Go ahead and click it. You'll be prompted to enter the GitHub username or email address of the person you wish to add. It's important to ensure that the person you're inviting has or will create a GitHub account if they don't already have one. Once you've entered their details, click Add. You can also modify the level of access they will have. For instance, you might want to give someone admin privileges if they play a major role in your project. After you've added your collaborators, they'll receive an invitation to join your repository. Once they accept, they will have the access level you designated, allowing them to contribute seamlessly. Do take a few moments to discuss the scope of their contributions and clarify any boundaries or guidelines you want them to follow when working within the repository. And that's it. You've successfully managed access to your GitHub repository. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you need to update collaborators or change existing permissions. Managing your projects with precision helps maintain the integrity and productivity of your work. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy coding!